So in this video I wanted to look at MonsterEOS.io. It's a Tamagotchi style game on the EOSIO blockchain. You can do things like create new monsters. I don't think it will let me because I just created one. So you can see I already have my scatter identity loaded up, and it will let me sign a transaction with scatter. Yeah, see, I just created this EOSIO monster right here, and previously I had created a Udemy monster. You could do things like feed your monsters, put them to bed, wake them up, all that other stuff. But more importantly, you can battle monsters or battle other people. So here you can see two people are battling right now, and I can watch them battle. Also, there's this new one, so I could battle Jenny Top K-pop. So yeah, I mean, this is a really cool project, I think. But more importantly, the GitHub repo has probably the most non-block one smart contract code. So really, like, if there's anything you can't figure out how to do by looking at the block one EOSIO repo smart contracts, you know, I would definitely say check out the MonsterEOS GitHub. I thought about kind of going through this in more detail, but there's just like so much code here that, you know, you could do a course in and of itself of just MonsterEOS. So anyway, definitely check this project out. Definitely check out the contract code. I'm sure he would love to have contributors to the project as well. So and obviously users, everybody likes having monsters to battle. So yeah, that's MonsterEOS. I'll see you in the next video.